Would you be surprised to know that there's a hidden, unclaimed real estate gold mine worth millions up for grabs in your hometown? And the best part is that no one knows about it yet, and compared to traditional real estate methods, this is kindergarten easy. John Fedro here. Several years ago, I was broke and struggling to make my first dime in traditional real estate, until one day I accidentally discovered a huge, untapped gold mine, a secretly booming 21.8 million unit housing niche that everyone else ignores because they're completely oblivious to the easy profit potential that's staring them right in the face every day. Since then, I've gone on to secure over 120 of these properties with very little and sometimes no out-of-pocket investment. Each of these properties starts making me money within 30 days, and I'm paid a nice chunk of change up front and continue to receive monthly passive cash flow for as long as 10 to 30 years. And before you go thinking to yourself that you know what this method is, think again. Because this is a new red-hot market that doesn't have anything to do with short sales, bank-owned properties or REOs, foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, pre-pre-foreclosures, renting, tax sales, probate assignments, rehabbing, wholesaling, or flipping. In fact, I'm confident that you've never heard of this method of making money with real estate because nobody else is doing this. This alternative real estate method is hands down the best way to start making quick money now and monthly residual income for years to come. While there are so many more advantages to this method over traditional real estate than I can go into over this quick video, here are just a few. Simple method that anyone can learn, no previous real estate experience required. Get paid quickly, within your first month working only 30 minutes a day. Do a deal once and get paid guaranteed monthly cash flow for years. This method is especially easy to do in a recession. In fact, a slow economy creates an even higher demand in the marketplace. There's no need to concern yourself about credit because it doesn't matter with these deals. There's little to no money needed to begin, and there's virtually no competition because no one else knows about it. Because I'm protecting my investment in this method, I'm only revealing it for a limited time to those that attend this special webinar training. So if you want to know what this new method is and how you can start cashing in on it now, then choose a date and a time to the right for one of my webinar trainings and discover all the details on how you can realistically make $100,000 your first year in this red-hot market. I promise you'll experience a light bulb moment, and it may even change the course of your financial future. See you there.